Alright, so this was the fourth most missed question on yesterday's assignment. The graph of a differentiable function f is shown above. On the closed interval from -4 to 3, how many values of x in the open interval -4 to 3 satisfy the conclusion of the mean value theorem from -4 to 3? So the key with this one is really drawing on the picture. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw in a tangent line. A secant line from the beginning to the end. That gives me the average rate of change. Now what I'm looking for is any location on the curve itself where the slope of the tangent line would be the same as the slope of the secant line. This gives us AROC equals IROC, or average rate of change equals instantaneous rate of change. Now from the picture we can tell there's clearly 3 spots where that would occur. So the correct answer on this one is going to be D, which is 3. Hope that helps. Thanks.